Hey, welcome to another of our listing from C21 Soul team. My name is Steven Vien.
And I'm Alexia Nguyen. Welcome back to Evergreen. This is one of the most highly seeked out area where you have Millbrook Elementary, Quimby Oak Middle, and Evergreen High School. Welcome to 2758 Croft Drive. I'm sitting in this charming, bright living room with high voltage ceiling, dual pane windows, laminate floor, all new fresh interior painting. What I love about this well-lit kitchen is that it has a bay window overlooking the garden, so you can keep an eye on your guests while you're entertaining the whole party. What I love about this romantic master bedroom is that it got all new painting, a ceiling fan for the cool day, and baseboard, crown molding, bright windows overlooking the garden. Look at this backyard. I feel like I can just rest here all day. It's just so relaxing. It's zen.
Now I'm at Lake Cunningham. This is one of the largest artificial bodies of water in the Bay Area. The county uses it for storm and flood control, but you can also relax and enjoy some nice time on the water. Now in addition, it's right next to raging waters. And they also have a action sport park if you're a fan of skateboarding or rollerblading.
Now we are in Bogini Park. This is walking distance to the property, is 10 acres, and features multiple playgrounds.
Thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope to see you at the next open house.